video, I'm going to teach you how to do a tuck lever. This is a critical step towards doing your full front lever, and something that if you get right is going to make your progress that much quicker. Now, this is something that a lot of people don't understand how to do properly. You have to understand how to control your scapula, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. All that and more coming up.
That teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
This is the tuck lever. So we're moving up a lot with the straight arm scapular strength here. And what we need to do is really learn how to integrate everything that we've been working on from the tuck, for the tuck lever progressions. So if you look at the horizontal scap pull-in, into the feet assisted arch into hang, into the arch into hang, into the tuck lever, all of them are an extension of the movement before. They're all just basically a way of pulling harder in the same direction, which is scapular retraction, pulling the shoulder blades together towards the spine, scapular depression, pulling the shoulder blades down, and shoulder extension, pulling the elbows down to the rib cage. Doing all three of those things more than, with more intensity and with more activation than you did from the last progression is going to produce what you're working for here. The only difference with this one now is we're going to bring our knees right up to the chest, allow the spine to curve, bring the knees in as tight to the chest as you can, and hold that position. Besides everything that I've just said, the number one thing that you're looking out for is do not bend the elbows. Under any circumstances, do not let the elbows bend. If the elbows bend, it's not a straight arm scapular strength movement anymore. So let's have a look at Richard do it. Beautiful. So you can see his elbows are straight, his scapula's retracted, and they're depressed, which means they're not up near his ears, and his spine is relatively flat to the ground. Now watch when he goes up into this position. Watch his shoulder blades as they depress. Beautiful. And then they retract as much as he can. Okay, so they're not fully retracted, but they're relatively in a neutral position. You can see, let your shoulders protract now, Richie. See that? That's protracted. Pull them back now, and that's in a neutral position. Thanks, Richard. So you can see when he does that, the cue of retracting the shoulder blades, it doesn't actually retract them, but what it does is it brings them to a neutral position and prevents them from protracting, and that is a critical part of the front lever. The other one, that the shoulder blades stay depressed, so they stay down, and then of course, as I said before, pulling the elbows down so the shoulders are going into extension. Thanks for watching our video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you want to know how to get started with us, download the free flexibility blueprint. You can just, there's a link in this video description, but on our YouTube page, you can see in the top right corner, there's the Start Here button, and that'll take you to it where you can get our free flexibility blueprint, which is 7 key lessons that we've learned from 25 years of training that'll have a massive impact on your flexibility training. And if you like that video and you want to see more, we release new videos every week. So maybe click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you get notified each time we do them. And last but not least, if you want us to make any videos of anything that you want to know about movement, please leave a comment in the description. We try to make videos to answer everyone's question, every comment that gets left. And besides that, until next time, I will see you later, guys. Enjoy your training.
She must consider that like, oh no. What happened? No, he's just lying there like, oh, okay. This is my life now. He just dropped. He did just drop. What happened? Yeah, busy.
All right, are we ready for the next